Don't go broke without infinite banking. Did you know that you will make $2 million in your lifetime and can still be broke? I just Googled it and found out the average household income in the US in 2018 by census.gov is $62,000. Multiply it with 40 working years. You have a whopping $2,480,000. Can you believe that? You're making $2.5 million in your lifetime and still worried about money. Did you ever wonder why? Why does it feel like every step forward takes us 2 steps backwards? Here's a simple answer. The majority of your money that you are making today goes back to pay taxes and interest. Yes, 40% goes to pay for your taxes, which includes everything from buying groceries to annual tax filing, and 34% goes into paying interest on all the debts that you have, like your mortgage, car note, credit cards, student loan, to name a few. According to Money.com, you're going to spend $280,000 on interest in your lifetime. And that is on the lower end. Money.com continues, the average American can expect to pay $450,000 in interest in their lifetime. Now, I want you to pretend for a moment that instead of throwing away that $500,000 in interest, you're holding on to it, making it work for you. Just like the banks own their own debt, you create a system where you can own your own debt. Now, you ask yourself, what will happen in the next 10, 20, or 30 years later? You would perhaps say, not only will I have that extra $300,000 to $500,000 with myself, but I'll also be making compound interest on that money year after year. Do you think that will help you becoming debt-free and creating a perpetual passive income for life? You bet. And infinite banking can help you do that. People always ask me, what is infinite banking? The secret of infinite banking can be summed up in 2 simple words: recapture and reinvest. In other words, a system that helps you recapture by getting back all the money that is currently leaving your portfolio in the form of principal and interest and reinvest it in an insured and guaranteed vehicle. In layman's terms, instead of putting your money in a bank, you save them inside a dividend-paying whole life policy, which is designed with an emphasis on cash value. So stop gambling your future income and learn how you can obtain a guaranteed tax-free growth on your money. One of the renowned thinkers of our time, Brian Tracy, once said, there are 3 legs to the stool of financial freedom: savings, investment, and insurance. And guess what? Infinite banking has it all. So here you have it. The best way to avoid going broke financially is to stop the leak in your financial bucket, the leak which we call interest. Instead of letting that interest go to your lenders, the bank, you be your own banker and pay it to yourself, because you owe it to yourself and your family. If you ask me what I like most in an infinite banking, my answer would be the control and accessibility aspect of it. Also, if you're wondering about paying your debts and creating a source of perpetual passive income, we have a free book called Infinite Banking Secrets, where we share different ideas on how you can utilize your whole life insurance policy to achieve your financial freedom. So definitely check out the link below and visit our masterclass. If you like this video, let us know by liking it and leaving a comment for us. Make sure you share it with your friends and family and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell so that you're notified when we upload new videos. And finally, make sure you own your financial future by converting your liabilities into assets.